I'm going to show you how to install a strap to the Supreme Appendix buckle. We're going to assume you've trimmed to size and make sure it's a straight cut. Empty the plastic bag to get your screws and Allen wrench. Slide the strap in the slot all the way to the back of the buckle. Add a screw to the outside hole first and lightly tighten. Add another screw to the opposite side and make sure the strap is still squared with the buckle, and lightly tighten the screw. Insert the center screw and lightly tighten. Go back to the outside screw and tighten a little more. Do the same for the opposite side. Tighten the center screw firmly until the head of the screw seats in the cavity of the hole. Proceed to do the same for the two outside holes.